Today, I'm sharing a powerful DIY green tea cream toner that help hydrate, soothe, and give your skin that smooth, glowing glass-like finish. Start with 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. Add 1 teaspoon of green tea powder. Then, 1 teaspoon of glycerin oil. Mix everything well until smooth and your glow booster is ready. One calm, hydrated, and glowing skin. This a natural DIY toner made with green tea, aloe vera gel, and glycerin is a pack with soothing and antioxidant benefits. Green tea help fight free radicals and reduce redness, while aloe vera deeply hydrates and calm irritated skin. Glycerin is locked in moisture, keeping your skin soft, fresh, and stay hydrated all day. With regular use, this toner can help smooth your skin, improve texture, and reveal a healthy radiant glow. Try it and refresh your skin naturally.